Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is prime factorization. Last we done with multiples and factors and co-prime factors and composite numbers, everything. But today we start with the prime factorization, which is very important. So any composite number as I already told you, can be written as a product of any two numbers are the composite numbers, can be written as a product of prime numbers. When we try to make them as a product of only prime numbers, and that is called prime factorization. like फैक्टर बनाने हैं किसी भी नंबर के सिर्फ प्राइम्स में, उसको हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कहते हैं. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे एग्जांपल लेके चल रही हूँ 90 की. एंड दे आर टू मेथड्स. फर्स्ट इज फैक्टर ट्री एंड सेकंड इज continuous division. So if I start with the factor tree, I take the example of 90 because we only use prime numbers. So I started with the number 2. when we divide with the 2 we come with the 45. उसके बाद 2 के साथ फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं होती 45 की, we move with the 3 because 3 is also prime number. it is become 3 and 15. 2 become same, 3 become same. when 15 की फैक्टराइजेशन की बात करेंगे we come with 3 and 5. the 2, 3, 3 and 5, these all are the prime numbers. so अगर इनकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लिखते हैं 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 2 3 the 6, 6 3 the 18, 18 5 the 90. so this is a 90. so this is the prime factorization of 90 by using factor 3. and I start with the 2. if I started with 3, then it become 3 into 30, then 3 be same, then 30 can be divided by 3 again, then 3 into 10, as you can see 3 into 10, then 3 3, then 10 can be factorized with the help of 2 and 5. so 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, and 8 into 5 into 90. so this is the factor tree method to do the factorization, prime factorization of any composite number. Now next is continuous division method. We start with the smallest prime number always. Smallest prime number is 2 because 90 can be divisible by the 2. It becomes 3 and 45. 45 only. 45 cannot be divided by 2. We move with the next prime number, which is the next one from the 2 is 3. Then 3, it becomes 15. Then 15 can be divisible by 3 also. so 5 can be divisible by 5 only. so it is 1. so 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. so this is the prime factorization of a composite number by using the continuous division method. so prime factorization can be done by these two methods. Commonly this method is used because this is the easiest one, and can be do on an easy way. and so this is the two method we use for the prime factorization. Thank you.